Happy painting. The Watercolor Seasons series, by Carsten Wieland. Celebrate the seasons in vivid watercolors. Easy to follow. Step by step. Now available for Kindle. These easy to follow step-by-step tutorials celebrate the seasons in vivid watercolors. The practices have a clear structure to guarantee pure watercolor fun for everybody just from the start. Start with easy warm-ups creating impressive and colorful watercolors quick. And then dive into a more challenging painting project. Each part includes 4 to 5 chapters with step-by-step tutorials, useful tips and hints about art materials and watercolor technique. And a gallery with more inspiration for your next season watercolors. Happy painting! All books and tutorials are now available for Kindle. And I am already working on the next books with everything you like to know about loose and vivid watercolor painting. Get your dose of watercolor inspiration now. Happy painting!